What's up, guys? We are here at the I-29 Dragway in Iowa for Ice Cream Cruise presented by 1320 Video. This is amazing out here. It's a big, huge road course, and then there is an 1/8 mile drag strip. So what we'll be doing tonight is Klaus is in some stick shift cash, like a cash day shootout. We'll be doing that tonight. Then tomorrow's the big event. It'll be burnouts non-stop. All kinds of stuff, the big car show. I think they said there's like 1,600 cars entered out here. And on Sunday, we are roll racing and drag racing everyone. We're racing the Wheelies, which is Boosted Boy Kyle's van. Basically, everyone else. Out here, we got Motorhead Garage. You guys know Michael. We'll have our setup right here, and then everything from here down to there is all gonna be skids for kids. Seth working on the car. That seems to be the intro to every video. And then the skid pad's actually the very end of the track, the shutdown. That's why we're all the way down here. But the entire track's going to be loaded with cars. Actually, I just got a new tune sent to me from Don. They said we could go out and test it. So we're going to go do that right now. And we need to test the parachute because we'll be doing some roll racing. We'll probably be like 170 miles per hour. So let's get to that.
All right, Carl, we just got off the road course there. Not a lot of room out there, huh?
It's definitely not ideal. So we just did a couple logs, pulled the parachute to make sure that works so we can repack it correctly. But as soon as I get into boost, we're out of racetrack. Like, I smelled brakes there a few times.
I did, yeah. Yeah, they're hot.
Yeah, but hey, we'll send those over to Don and we'll see what he says about it. It's time to go racing. Klaus is in race mode right now. We switched over to the Bias Ply drag slicks. What else did we do? Got the tune. Don said the tune's ready to go. We did some pulls in Mexico to make sure the car was good. We hit about 18 pounds of boost. That's probably around 1,250-ish, 1,300 maybe, I don't even know. But it felt great on the street. So we're getting ready for the stick shift class shootout. There is no testing, there's nothing, you're not allowed to do anything. You pull up into the lanes and you race. So it's a 16 car cash shootout, so hopefully we can do good. Other than that though, we can test and tune in between rounds. Probably just gonna leave it set for the 15-16 pounds of boost, and we'll just see. If it starts to spin, we'll let go of the throttle just a little bit. Who knows? We're gonna show you around. They push the drivers meetings back a little bit because some of the drivers are lacking and they're not ready yet. So we're gonna give you a nice little tour of it. Stick shift class. I'm up right now. I think Klaus is ready. I'm gonna leave the bottle turned off, so we're gonna race at about 10 PSI. It looks like a lot of people are spinning, so there's no point of turning it up. So we're gonna go from there. Let's get to it.
Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Happy birthday.
got the first round win, which was pretty awesome. This was a cash shootout stick shift off the trailer. You weren't allowed to test, nothing. Klaus went down nasty. We actually spun a lot. I had the bottle off, so it was 10 pounds of boost, around 1,000 horsepower. But he went. The Fox body got out. I think he spun a little bit, went back, and then Klaus just put a bus on him fast. No, not really a bus, just a little bit. You can't say that much, but we're going. Hopefully we got second round. Check the air pressure. I got to drain the catch cans. I noticed a little bit of water came out of that. And then we're going to go. Maybe a bigger burnout. Get some more traction in the back. Maybe put down some air in the back. We'll see. Let's get to it.
Alrighty.
We are undefeated in the stick shift class. That was a round 2 win. It was a buy run. We almost didn't get that buy run because I think that same fuel pump relay that gave us problems on drag and drive didn't replace it. Car wouldn't start. Gave it a flick, started up, so we're good. That run was actually a 6.2 at 115, and the fastest pass here is a 6.1. So the car is actually competitive. Like, we're doing good. We're gonna win this. So now we're off to the semifinals. We are 2 wins away from $1,600. Let's do this. We're gonna check over some things. Belts wanting to come off like normal. It's like halfway off right now. But we're gonna keep sending it into the semifinals. Day 2, ice cream cruise. It is awesome, you guys. There are 1,800 cars in the car show. We got no prep racing tonight. We actually got the Burnout Contest about to start right now. That us for Skits for Kids, we're all hosting it. We got Michael who's gonna go for his first ride along. Show people you
I'm excited.
It's gonna be so much fun, but all of a sudden they're like, hey, get up here and start it. So we're suiting and booting and we're going.
God, that was gnarly. That was so good.
Popped both tires, drove off the pad, didn't overheat. Yeah! That was so much fun. Klaus did great. We popped both tires and the car didn't get hot. What'd you think of your first burnout run?
Crazy, dude. Crazy. That was the first time being in something like that. I mean, we've done little burnouts here and there, but to be just whipped around and just, oh my God, just fully engulfed in smoke. I think Claus being completely open air has something to do with that.
It's good and bad because the smoke gets in it easier too.
Oh, yeah.
Like you see how a couple times you can't see anything, and
Haters.
proof for the haters. Andrew's the hater.
Yeah, it's not haters, it's hater.
It's just Andrew. Andrew actually said good job. That was crazy.
That's amazing.
He said good job.
All right, so don't tell Carl I said this. But I'm super proud of him in his car this weekend. He killed it. Car went fast. He did good burnouts. And we still got one burnout competition left. Don't tell him I said it though. He still sucks.
We did it! Look at this. Look at that. Second place. That's so awesome. Michael, second place. How do you feel about that?
Wonderful time. Well deserved as well.
So yeah, this is the highest place we've ever scored in a burnout comp now. We got third before at Cletus & Cars, and we got second here, and that's pretty awesome. Popped both tires. I thought it was a good run. Great, but
Felt damn good from the inside.
And then we have a rule here at Sketch for Kids. If we win any prize money, we always donate half the money back to the charity. So we got 50% every time we win. You've never really seen that because I've never won anything ever. So there we go. Back to the charity because that's what's matter. Get the toys for the kids. You know, we can do skits sometimes. You did a great shit. I love the way your car sounds. It's the, I think, only good sounding 350. Now, we also just signed up for the Dyno competition. Right now it's 840, I think they said is the highest. We should be able to make more than that. And I was like, ah, whatever, no big deal. But they're like trophy and $600 to the winner. So, we're gonna go do it. Let's get to it. Successful dyno run, but we noticed.
If you lost your phone, come see me. I'm the fat guy walking right up front.
We got a hairline
Front
crack
of the tower.
in our diff cover, and we're leaking just a little bit of fluid. Actually, we're leaking a lot of fluid. It's pretty much all on the dyno right now. But they told us we were the last person to run before it closed, and we made the most power. So hopefully we won that. But now we got Colt and Sarah back here again because as we were driving back to the pits, they're like screaming and yelling at us. I'm like, great, we're in trouble again.
Always breaking the rules.
Yay! But they're like, no, you're top 50. They're like, sweet, I don't know what that means. But we're top 50.
Give us just a second as she's parking. I'll announce the rest of them here.
See? It's not bad at all. Yeah, you can see plenty. It's really not that bad.
It's like the daily driver stuff.
It really is.
Problem driving it is though.
Phone chargers, cup holders. It's 100% street legal, like inspected by our highway patrol out in Ohio.
Dude, here's AC. You just put your hand out.
Yeah, it's actually, we drive it all the time. It's raining a lot. So we just got done with the car show. Klaus got picked for the top 50 of their favorite cars on the property, and they said 2,200 cars were here.
That's
20
insane.
for the car show register. There was way more cars here.
Yeah, that doesn't even count the
Yeah,
crowd.
there had to have been like 15,000 people
Or more.
here, or more. Dyno I'm a little salty about because they said we were the last ones, got first place. And on the way back, I guess they let someone else run, and he made 20 more horsepower than me. So he should have did more than just a half pull and turned up the boost.
Yeah, why'd you half send it, dude?
That's what we do, half cents around here, I guess. Tomorrow we get to set up and do roll racing and drag racing. We're racing Sketchy Vert, we're racing Boosted Boiz, we're racing whatever.
We've got some repairs to do, don't
We got some repairs to do. And we noticed diff fluid leaking. Around one of the bolt holes, there's a hairline crack, and under load, it's expanding. and leaking. So we got to get with Seth or someone, and we're gonna try to weld it up. I should probably put diff fluid in it. I think I brought some.
Yeah, now we gotta hit an O'Reilly.
Yeah. We're allowed to set up the vendors. We're gonna be up by the grandstand, so this guy is gonna sell a lot more books.
Did great today. Thank you to everybody who came out. It was awesome seeing you guys.
It's so much fun. Hey, open up your mouth real quick. All right, that's the end of day 2. We'll see you guys next time.
Later.